Welcome to Surfin'. Today we're going to patina a piece of brass with a nice light brown to medium bronze finish by using a product called Patina CB. This process requires some tools such as paintbrushes, spray bottles with water, and a cleaning solution called Brush and Clean. We begin by cleaning our brass surface. If there's any oxidation, or if you're using dirty brass, we recommend first sanding the surface. If using new brass or if your sanding is complete, go ahead and apply the brush and clean to the brass surface and scrub in a circular motion. Keep your eye out for any areas which may need additional cleaning. Once the part is cleaned, use paper towels to absorb the cleaner off the brass surface. Follow up with a thorough rinsing with water. For large parts, you can use a hose, spray bottles, or even a dedicated paint gun filled with water. As a last step prior to applying the patina, go ahead and dry the surface with paper towels or washcloths. Now that we're ready, start to brush the brown Patina CB solution onto the brass with a swabbing motion. Use the brush to create a mottled effect of different shades of light and medium brown. Just like the cleaning stage, pay attention to any edges or corners which may need more solution. The more you apply the solution, the darker and more even the finish gets. Once you are satisfied with the results, proceed to swab the surface with disposable paper towels to absorb the solution. Once the solution is wiped off, go ahead and rinse the surface with water. For the final step, wipe the water off with paper towels or similar rags or washcloths. Here we have applied the Acrylaq-1045 flat sealer as a final step. The resultant finish is a light brown to oil rub bronze finish on brass. For more information, check out surfinchemical.com.